Hello, my friends, and welcome back to our Shiwan English channel. My name is Emily.
And I am Leo. Hello. We are so happy to see you here today.
Today, we are going to the market. We will talk about buying vegetables. This is a very useful topic for daily life.
That is right. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and click the like button. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Are you ready to go shopping with us? Let's start. Leo, look at this market. It is very big and sunny today.
Yes, Emily. It is a beautiful day to buy fresh food.
I have a long shopping list because we need to cook dinner for our friends tonight.
Okay, I am ready to help you find everything on the list.
First, we need some tomatoes for the salad, and we also need cucumbers.
Look over here, Emily. These red tomatoes look very big and fresh.
They do look nice, but are they soft or are they hard?
Let me check one. This tomato is firm, so it is perfect for a salad.
Great. Please put 5 large red tomatoes into the basket for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the tomatoes are in the basket.
Thank you. Now we need to find some green cucumbers.
I see the cucumbers next to the carrots over there.
Oh yes, I want 3 long cucumbers because I love crunchy salads.
These cucumbers are very long and dark green. They look delicious.
Okay, put 3 of them in the basket, please.
Done. What is the next thing on your shopping list?
We need onions. Do we need red onions or white onions?
I think we need white onions because we are making a hot soup.
You are right. White onions are better for cooking soup.
How many onions should we buy today?
Let's buy a big bag of onions because we use them every day.
Here is a bag. It is a little heavy. Can you carry it?
I can carry it, but please put it in the cart for now.
Okay. Now, do we need potatoes for the soup, too?
Yes, we need many potatoes. Everyone loves potato soup.
Look at these potatoes. They are very dirty, but that means they are fresh from the farm.
That is fine. We can wash the potatoes when we go home.
I will pick 10 medium potatoes for the soup.
Make sure they are hard. I do not like soft potatoes.
Do not worry, Emily. I am choosing the best potatoes for you.
Thank you, Leo. You are a very good shopper.
I try my best. What is next? Do we need carrots?
Yes, I almost forgot about the carrots.
The carrots are orange and bright. They look very sweet.
I want to buy a bunch of carrots with the green tops on them.
Why do you want the carrots with the green tops?
I think they stay fresh longer when they have the green tops.
That is a good tip. I will grab 2 bunches of carrots.
Perfect. Now let's look for some green leafy vegetables.
Do you want spinach or do you want lettuce?
I want lettuce for the salad and I want spinach for the soup.
Wow, we are buying a lot of green vegetables today.
Yes, green vegetables are very healthy for our bodies.
This head of lettuce is huge. It is like a big green ball.
That is funny. Put the big green ball in the cart, please.
Okay, and here is a bag of fresh baby spinach leaves.
Is the spinach washed or do we need to wash it?
The bag says washed and ready to eat, so it is easy.
I love that. It saves us a lot of time in the kitchen.
Me too. Cooking is fun, but washing vegetables is boring.
I agree. Now, look at those bell peppers. They are beautiful.
I see red peppers, yellow peppers, and green peppers.
Let's buy one of each color because they look like a rainbow.
That is a great idea. The salad will look very colorful.
How much are the bell peppers? Are they expensive?
Let me look at the price tag. They are $2 each.
That is a little expensive, but they look very good quality.
I think it is okay to pay more for good food.
You are right. Please pick 3 nice peppers for us.
I am picking a red one, a yellow one, and a green one.
Do we need any garlic for the soup?
We have some garlic at home, but maybe we need more.
Let's buy 2 bulbs of garlic just in case.
Garlic is small, so it fits easily in the corner of the cart.
Good. Oh, look at that broccoli.
I like broccoli when it is cooked with cheese.
Me too, but today we will just steam it with salt.
That is healthier. I will take 1 large head of broccoli.
Make sure the broccoli is dark green, not yellow.
This one is very green and very heavy.
Excellent. We have a lot of vegetables now.
Is there anything else on your list, Emily?
Let me check my paper. Oh, we need mushrooms.
I see white mushrooms and brown mushrooms. Which do you prefer?
I prefer brown mushrooms because they have more flavor.
Do you want a small box or a large box?
A small box is enough because only I eat mushrooms.
That is true. I do not really like mushrooms very much.
More for me then. Put the small box in the cart.
Okay, the mushrooms are in. The cart is getting full.
I think we have almost everything for the dinner.
What about herbs? Do we need parsley or basil?
Yes, fresh basil smells wonderful. Let's get 1 bunch.
I can smell the basil from here. It smells like summer.
I love that smell. Please put it gently on top.
I will be careful. I do not want to crush the leaves.
Thank you, Leo. You are very careful with the food.
I respect the vegetables.
That is good. Oh, wait, we need one more thing.
What is it? We have so much already.
We need a lemon for the salad dressing.
That was a long shopping trip. We bought so many vegetables.
Yes, I am hungry for soup now. We hope you understood the conversation.
Remember, you can listen to this again to practice. Repetition is very important.
If you liked this podcast, please subscribe to the channel, click like, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
We have a question for you today. Please answer in the comments.
What is your favorite vegetable to eat?
My favorite is the tomato.
And my favorite is the potato. Tell us yours.
Thank you for listening. Bye, Bee. See you next time.